Okay guys, so I pulled the mission. It's a couple days later. Got the solar resin from my local surf shop. You should be able to get this anywhere at your local surf shop. It's a full kit, so it's got like the paddle pop stick, the solar resin. This is epoxy, but it also repairs polyester boards. We've got the sandpaper at the back, and yeah, this is the first step, is getting this. The second step is sanding down the ding. So what you're going to be repairing, so I'm going to be sanding this. I'm going to sand this down till it's super smooth. Then I'm going to put on some resin after sanding it smooth, and I'm going to let the resin dry for about 5 minutes. It usually takes 5 minutes in the sun. If it's in the shade, it will take maybe 20 minutes. But you want to make sure when you're putting on the resin, never put it on in the sun, because this stuff will dry fast and your board won't look great. So yeah, without any more talking, I'm going to get to sanding. So I've never done this before, but my whole tail is just like in a state, so I don't know what's happening. And I got this board like 3 weeks ago. Shout out to shout out to Mad Shapes and the Lifestyle Buzz. Barry Dean hooked me up. Now we're out here just sanding. So we sanded the guy down. Next step, you want to get your sun care ding or fast surfboard repairing, or just whatever solar resin your local surf shop has, and then we do it. So I'm gonna put a lot more on this end, because like the fiberglass is totally gone and it's like literally straight foam. So I want to make sure that this is really secure. Yeah, I don't know how my surfboards get like this. I just go hardcore, man. Dude, Barry's probably watching this like, that's way too much resin. I mean guys, if you can, it's always better to fix your own board. Okay, so I've just put my board in the sun. And now I'm just gonna soak up the views and eat my apple. So the resin is all dry, and now I'm gonna use this guy. I'm gonna sand it down with the hard part first, the more coarse part of the sandpaper. Then I'm gonna switch to the smoother side just to fine it out, and our board will be looking nice and brand new in no time. Right, so guys, so I've just finished sanding it down, and that was what, 30 minutes in total. Everything is done. You can come see, it's pretty smooth. This was where the main damage was. Pretty cleaned up. I'll put some before and afters in the shot for you, but I feel like I did a pretty good job. It was my first time, but it looks solid, and I've got a skill that I'll keep for life. I can fix my surfboard anytime, any place, anywhere. All I need is a surf shop and some sunlight, and we good. Thanks for watching.